I am so excited to walk through this new feature with you. Oh my gosh. What you used to have to do is insane. You used to have to assemble your keyword list and then go to Upwork, go to Fiverr, go to a platform and go get a writer. Hope you can find that writer, post a job, look at their resume, look at their skill sets, test them, onboard them, and then give them assignments. Listen, you can click create content and you literally have a high ranking piece of content written in 10 minutes. And is the writer obsolete? Right? That's a whole nother conversation. We get comments on YouTube about this. No, the writer is not obsolete if the writer pivots. You know, we have a user, for example, Chris Kirksey, who owns direction.com, a big SEO agency. And he said writers can actually make more money and do better work if they're now adapting to AI, because you can do more work in way less time. And we still need a writer going through that content, getting it ready to publish, checking it humanly, right? So a big question we get is, where does the data actually come from? And it comes from a paid tool called Mangle's Keyword Finder. This is a tool I've used. I actually teach it in my courses. Have used it for over 5 years. This tool is amazing because the team and the development of it is very robust. We have access to 2.5 billion keywords through this tool, curated keywords with real accurate data. And they're adding 20 million new per month. They have over 100 million competitor keywords. You can actually check your competitors' keywords and over 52,000 supported locations. So if you've heard me talk about keywords at all, you know that I am not a fan of free tools because there's no one in charge of cultivating the data. Keywords are the Wild West, and you do not want to be targeting a keyword that you don't know the competition numbers. You don't know the ranking difficulty. You don't know the monthly search volume. You don't want to target random keywords. You actually want to dive into the data. So whenever I'm looking for keywords, let me walk you through it from the inside out. So keyword research is the art and science of targeting terms that people look for in Google. And you want to get found for that keyword in Google. So for me at Content Hacker, let's say I was offering content marketing services. Then something I would want to talk about and build topical authority for, which is critical, you need that topical authority to rank at all, is content marketing. And ideally, I have hundreds of pieces of content in the future that addresses this topic. And all of them are linked to a great keyword. So what I like to do is I like to search by the lowest ranking difficulty and then humanly look through all of them. LinkedIn Content Strategy 2022. I might not want to write on that one. It's 2023. How relevant is that? Probably not. And what I could do is potentially edit this keyword. I could go ahead and click create content from it or create a topic cluster. And then before the AI writes, I could change this date to say 2023. So that's an approach I would take to modify that keyword. Now, there's probably no data on that keyword 2023. So we're doing something called predictive keyword research, where I think that will be a searched for keyword. So like I said right earlier, this is an art and a science, but if you have the data, and you do now, right in this single tool, Content at Scale, if you have the data, you can literally go from the point of no keywords to keywords to clicking a button and creating content, which is unbelievable. Unbelievable that we have that. So in the keyword research feature, once you sort by your data and you start gathering the keywords you want to write for, let me just see if I can pick up a few. So GE content marketing, that's pretty solid. We could talk about how General Electric does their content marketing strategy. So that's a good keyword. I could click create content for that, or I could just simply add it to my planner. But I want to show you what a topic cluster looks like. So we'll do that. So a topic cluster is relevant whenever you really want to be known for something and you want your site to rank for that. Like, I'll show you an example. So contentascale.ai has an insane amount of keywords getting indexed. Our goal is 1 million monthly uniques. So we're targeting quite a few keywords, but of course we have some keywords that are dominating, that have insane volume, right? Our AI detector, our free AI detector, if you're familiar with it. So we're building topical authority in these areas. We're not building topical authority for something completely unrelated. So your topical authority really matters. You want to think about it as, what's my main area of expertise? What do I want to get known for on that site? And if you have a site about real estate, don't talk about cooking on that site. Create a new site to talk about cooking. So that's the basic idea of topical authority. So for us, it's AI detection, it's AI checker, it's ChatGPT, it's AI writing. Those are the topics we're going to talk about till the cows come home. I'm in Texas. That's a phrase. So that's how you want to think about keyword research. So for me, let's say, again, I was at Content Hacker offering content marketing services. So let me look for something that would be amazing. Okay, here's something really cool. So let's say my target audience was realtors. Look at this. Content for real estate marketing. How relevant is that keyword? We only have 60 searches a month. That's not much, but the competition is nothing. There's actually a CPC value on it, which is a good thing. There's zero competition. Are you kidding me? Nobody's blogging about that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a topic cluster from that. Because if I offer content and realtors are one of my target groups, that's a topic cluster. So a topic cluster is something you want to be known for. It's a group of topics that associate authority, ideally with your services and what you sell. You don't want some unrelated topic cluster hanging out there. So while that topic cluster is loading, I'll walk you through a few more examples. So Jeff Hunter owns a company called VA Staffer. It's an amazing company. Shout out if you need a virtual assistant. He trains, staffs, finds, hires, and manages them for you. VAstaffer.com. I'll give him a shout out. So in the keywords tab, what Jeff could do is type in virtual assistant, and look at this. He gets 20 pages of keywords, and we have 10 per page. That's 200 potential keywords he could write on. Right? He could click a button and create content. Right? But again, we're going to sort by the lowest ranking difficulty so we can find some really good keywords for Jeff. So right away, oh my gosh, Jeff, you got a gold mine here. Hello. Upwork.com virtual assistant. You could create a piece of content and have your AIO writer go through that piece and add some controversial statements about how getting a VA from the Wild West of Upwork isn't actually a good strategy. Bam. That's the all of funnel approach. You just took a top of funnel topic and you made it a sales pitch for your business. That's incredible. And for this, I would create content. I wouldn't create a topic cluster. All right, because that is a thinner topic. There's probably not a ton you could talk on about that. So you want to think about topic clusters as things that bear more authority, more of an umbrella type of thing where you can create multiple topics from. Little clusters of topics that you present to Google from your site. It's a way to categorize and organize your content instead of just targeting, random keywords all over the place. How to become an online assistant. Jeff could target this and then link to a hiring page, a training page. He's running out of virtual assistants. So he can double in this keyword strategy. Find people, hire amazing people, find clients, onboard amazing clients. And guess what? He doesn't even have to open Keyword Finder. He doesn't even have to open SEMrush. He can do all of his keyword research. Actually, he has a Filipino of amazing VA doing this for him. So he can have them now open the keyword tab, cut out the other keyword tools, not even pay for them because it's all here at Content at Scale. So another example, I have a chicken blog, mccoysfarm.com. We sell eggs on the weekends. It's kind of a hobby project, don't really make money, but it's a great way to test content and test engagement. It's funny because I have been found for a particular keyword on this website, and this will prove the opportunity here. I've been found for a keyword, help, my chicken is coughing. Okay, we rank number 1 for that keyword. People DM me at least 3 times a week and ask me for help, hands-on help with their chicken. Can you call me? I could literally become a chicken consultant. That is the power of getting found in search that not many people see because they're starstruck with Instagram, TikTok, the Reel. But, I've done an in-depth study on that. We did 400 pieces of content last year at Content Hacker, and 300 pieces were short form. 40 pieces were long form. We generated $200,000 from the 40 long forms, and we generated 0 from 300 short form pieces of content. So that's a mic drop moment. All right, but look at the keywords here. When I type in the word chickens, I get 59 pages. That's 590 keywords. Now, obviously, I'm not going to write on, Church's chicken or Chick-fil-A near me. So again, you're going to have to do this humanly. You're going to need to look through it at a human angle. And something I could do potentially, look at this. Chicken Coop has a competition of 38. That's insane. 40 and under is easy to rank for, and a search volume of 345,000. I'm going to stop everything and I'm going to do a chicken blog. Just saying, people. I've sold myself. What? That's insane. 345,000 people and only a 38. That's nuts. So what I would do is obviously create a topic cluster from that. And we created a relationship with an amazing custom chicken coop builder. And we could potentially make an affiliate of $1,000 on every sale. And it's an amazing chicken coop. What if we got found by creating a topic cluster and our affiliate revenue was $1,000 per sale? I hope you're starting to see the opportunity here. There's so much you could do. So let's go back to the keyword cluster and I'll end it here. The topical cluster for Content Hacker. If, let's say, imaginative here, if I was offering content marketing services, which I'm not, but I easily could, great domain for that. And I wanted to do real estate content marketing. So I'm letting the tool tell me what the topic clusters are. It's pulling in the search volume, the ranking difficulty. Amazing. We're going to crush it. Look at this. Video marketing in real estate. It's giving me 13 keywords I need to rank for that keyword. So what if I helped people do better video marketing? Look at this. Look at all these posts I could create. Some are commercial, so they have buying intent. Some are informational. So what I would do from here is obviously create content. And this one too. These are two amazing clusters. And here's what happens whenever you click create content. It loads the keyword for you and all the secondary keywords. And then all you have to do is click write post now. And then you get an amazing piece of content in a few minutes. Usually it's under 10 minutes in the queue that looks as good as this. So there you go. All your keyword research, your topical authority can now be done from one tool. And I'm telling you, it's why I'm here. This tool is just going to get better and better. Mark my words, come back here often. Use this tool to get ahead with your own content marketing. I hope that helped. If you have any comments, questions, let me know. Drop it in the comments. I'm happy to help answer questions about all of this. But enjoy this new feature. It is tremendous that we can do all of this now with the click of a button.